The big breaking news that we've been staying with over this evening. 2 blasts have taken place in the city of Hyderabad in the Dilsukh Nagar bus stand area, one of Hyderabad's most crowded areas. 15 people feared dead in the blast, at least 50 injured, and the toll therefore could go higher. The 2 explosions took place near 2 theatres, the Venkatadiri and Konarak theatres. Police say one bomb may have been on a motorcycle, the other in a tiffin box. Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde claimed the government had received some kind of information of an attack alert 2 days ago, but there was no specific information. An NIA team is being rushed this evening from New Delhi. No one at the moment is calling it terror attack, but clearly the intensity of the blast does suggest that it could be one. Let's listen in to the reactions we are getting, starting with the Andhra DGP.
At 6:58, we had to come here. The first blast took place. It appears to be IED. 8 people are supposed to have been dead here. 100 yards to my right is the second blast. About 3 minutes from the first blast. National Investigating Agency team also is on the way to Hyderabad. The IB chief and the Union Home Secretary are in constant touch with me. They are rushing teams by special aircraft.
2 दिन से हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन आती रही है। आज भी सुबह हमने जब हमारे अधिकारियों से बात की कि वो जो इंफॉर्मेशन आ गई थी, तो पूरे देश भर में हमने सभी राज्यों को वो इंफॉर्मेशन दे दी थी। इस वक्त तो हम ये सब ब्लास्ट किस तरह हो गया, क्या है, मालूमात कर लेते हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर लेंगे।
हमें इंटेलिजेंस रिपोर्ट्स थी कि कुछ ऐसा धमाका कहीं इस देश में होने वाला है। The NIA and the NSG is taking off from Delhi to reach the site this at night only. Once we gather all evidence, we will be able to make a statement.
हम लोगों को सूचना 2 बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट की है। हम लोगों को जो अभी तक सूचना प्राप्त हुई है उसके अनुसार 10 लोग मरे हैं और 50 इंजर्ड हैं। जो इंजर्ड हैं उनको अस्पताल शिफ्ट किया गया है। वी आर सेंडिंग अ टीम फ्रॉम हियर consisting of the IG of NIA, the NSG post blast investigation team and some officers of the IB. The DGP would have reached the spot by now.
We are here at one of the explosion sites here in Dilsukh Nagar in Hyderabad. You can see there are glass pieces here that have come out because of that, as a fallout of that explosion. There is a lot of police bandobast around. In fact, you can see there, I can also tell you that there are the clues team here, the forensic teams here, along with sniffer dogs around to verify or to really take care of the situation, to secure this entire location. The Hyderabad mayor has just arrived. The state DGP arrived a short while ago. In fact, he is right now at the spot. You can see really the entire area has been cordoned off. There is heavy barricades of the policemen here. We understand that the Chief Minister is also likely to visit this spot. For now, though, the state DGP has just arrived. Police here on spot are confirming to us that 2 explosions have taken place. In fact, there is a tiffin center right here. There is a tiffin center behind me. The lights have been switched off for now, but otherwise there is a tiffin center behind me, which is where one of those 2 explosions took place. There is also a theater. There is a movie theater which is on my left here. The camera person is panning out there to show you that area really. You can see that the entire area has been secured for now. The clues team is here. Even as we speak, there are sniffer dogs there behind the bus station. You can see that that entire bus stand really has also borne the brunt of that heavy explosion. Police officials for now are not confirming to us really what could be the possible cause. There is a tiffin center there, which is why the police are saying there are apprehensions of a cylinder blast. But clearly there have been serial blasts in a sense. The first after 2007, when the last serial blast at Lumbini Park took place. For now, police are saying, confirming to us that at least 10 people have died here at just one of the locations. That death toll is expected to rise because you can see the crowd still there, traffic still there. They are curious on because the police is trying to tell reporters as well as media to keep away from this place. That death toll is also expected to rise. For now, the injured and those who have died have been shifted to the government hospital, the Osmania Government Hospital, a few private hospitals as well. For now, this area clearly is going to be a cause of concern and maybe could have a lot of answers to what really caused that explosion. Police for now not ruling out any further explosions, which is why there are also reports of unexploded devices being found, but all that is subject to verification. For now, though, the entire city on high alert.
वो बहुत भयानक है। सब लोग इधर परेशान हो गए, असल क्या हुआ क्या बोल के बिल्डिंग तक शेक हो गए इधर।
ओके, और ब्लास्ट के बाद पुलिस कितनी देर में पहुंची? कैसे सारी चीजों को आप लोगों ने कंट्रोल किया? यहाँ काफी ज्यादा भीड़ है, लोगों में गुस्सा है, आप लोगों में काफी गुस्सा है इसको लेकर।
हम भी बहुत मेंटेन कर रहे थे, लोकल वाले पुलिस वाले भी इमीडिएटली आ गए।
టైం చూసుకోలే, మేము అప్పుడే ఇంటి నుంచి వచ్చిన మా మన్మని చూసుకొని వచ్చినాయి. వచ్చి బండి లోడ్ కూర్చోబెట్టిన మా బాబు ఉంటాడు, బాత్రూమ్ పోయాడు. నేను లోపలికి గల్లగా వచ్చేసరికి పడి మొత్తం పొగలు వచ్చేసింది. ఇక నాకేం సంబంధం కాలేదు. ప్రతి మీద అన్ని ముక్కలు అద్దాలు 4 ముక్కలు వచ్చేటాయి. నాకేం సంబంధం బయటకు వచ్చేసింది.
8 శవాలు మేము ఆన్ ది స్పాట్ అంబులెన్స్ రాకముందు తీపిచ్చేసినాము. దాని తర్వాత 4 శవాలు అక్కడనే ఉన్నాయి. చాలా పెద్ద సప్పుళ్ళు వచ్చేసినాయి. 2 సప్పుళ్ళు వచ్చి దాదాపు టోటల్ గా 20 మంది వరకు చనిపోవచ్చు.
పెద్దగానే వచ్చింది. ఆ శబ్దానికే చాలా మంది కంగారు పడిపోయారు. పెద్ద వాళ్ళు కూడా చాలా వరకు కంగారు పడిపోయారు.
ఆ టైంలో ఎంతమంది గుమిగూడు ఉన్నారు ఈ ప్రాంతంలో? పేలుళ్ళు జరిగినప్పుడు
100 మంది పైనే ఉన్నారు.
जानकारी अभी वहां से आ रही है और गृह मंत्रालय ने प्रदेश सरकार से संपर्क साधा है, तो एक बार पूरी जानकारी आ जाए उसके बाद इसके ऊपर कोई प्रतिक्रिया या कोई वक्तव्य देना उचित रहेगा।
सचमुच ये बहुत ही दुखद घटना है, बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना है और मैं समझता हूं कि आतंकवादियों के द्वारा देश को बराबर ये चुनौती दी जा रही है। पूरे मामले की एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए और साथ ही साथ जो भी घायल हैं उनके इलाज की व्यवस्था तो सरकार करेगी, मेरा ऐसा विश्वास है। निःशुल्क होनी चाहिए। मैं पूरी इस घटना पर दुख व्यक्त करता हूं और साथ ही शोक संतप्त परिवारों के प्रति गहरी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं।